In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter by tag in Asana. Asana is a powerful tool that helps teams organize, track, and manage their work. One of its handy features is the ability to filter tasks by tags, making it easier to navigate through your projects and focus on specific tasks that you need to address. Let's dive into the process so you can get the most out of this feature. First, you'll want to head over to Asana. Open your web browser and go to Asana's website, or launch the Asana app if you're using it on your desktop. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific project you want to work on. This is essential because filtering by tags allows you to narrow down the tasks within a particular project, ensuring you're targeting the right area. Now that you're within your project, look towards the top of your screen and you'll see a search icon. This icon is your gateway to finding specific tasks or information within Asana. Click on this icon to begin the search process. Once you've clicked on the search icon, you'll notice a three-dot menu, which is typically referred to as the More Options menu. This is a crucial step where you'll access additional search functionalities. Go ahead and click on these three dots. After clicking the More Options menu, you'll see an option that says Go to Advanced Search. This is where the magic happens. Click on Go to Advanced Search to enter Asana's Advanced Search panel. This feature is incredibly powerful, as it allows you to filter tasks using various criteria, including tags. With the Advanced Search panel open, it's time to add a filter. You'll see an option labeled Add Filter. Click on this option to bring up a list of different criteria you can use to filter your tasks. Filters help you zero in on exactly what you need to see, so it's an invaluable tool for managing your workload effectively. Now, from the list of filters, find and click on Tags. Tags are essentially labels you can attach to tasks to categorize and organize them. By selecting tags, you can filter your tasks to display only those associated with specific tags you've used in your project. And there you have it. You've successfully filtered your tasks by tag in Asana. This method allows you to streamline your workflow by focusing on tasks marked with particular tags, ensuring you spend less time searching and more time getting things done. Remember, mastering these tools can significantly enhance your productivity and project management efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Asana's robust features.